Hello children. So today we are going to discuss one more problem on Euclid's division algorithm, exercise 1.1. This problem number 1. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. Let us see the solution. Let A be any positive or integer and B is equal to 6. Why we are taking 6? Let us observe here. 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. Here B is a divisor and Q is some quotient here. So B is equal to 6. Now apply Euclid's division algorithm. So what you will get? What is division algorithm? Division lemma: A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to or less than B. So where B is equal to 6, then apply it. A is equal to 6Q plus R, where 0 less than or equal to or is less than 6. Now what are the possible reminders? Possible reminders are, so remainder value is less than 0 less than or equal to or is less than 6. That means the remainder value is less than 6 and more than 0 or equal to 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the possible reminders. Let us take r is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 6q plus 0. The remainder is 0. So it is divisible by a is equal to 6q. It is divisible by 2 or not? 6 is divisible by 2. Therefore, it is an even number. A is even. But we need what? We need positive odd integer. It is not a odd integer because it is divisible by 2. Or we can write as like this also, or 2 into 3q. It is divisible by 2. Let us take r is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 6q plus 1. A is equal to 6q plus 1. Now it is in the form of the remainder is 1, and when you divide it by 2, you will get the remainder is 1. So therefore a is what? Odd number, odd integer. Now let us take r is equal to 2. A is equal to what you will get? 6q plus 2. Now 2 take as a common, you will get 3q plus 1. Now this whole part consider as some p, then where 3q plus 1 is equal to p. Now see, the whole part is divisible by 2. The whole part is divisible by 2. Therefore a is what? A is what? A is even number, even integer, even integer. Now r is equal to 3. So then a is equal to what you will get? 6q plus 3. The remainder is 3. It is also odd. So a is odd integer. So now again a is equal to 4, then sorry, r is equal to 4, then a is equal to 6q plus 4, then take 2 as a common, then 3q plus 2, this is equal to some 2p, where 3q plus 2 is equal to take as a p. Now it is divisible by 2, so a is what? A is even integer. A is even integer. Now a is equal to 5, sorry, r is equal to 5. Now what will get a? A is equal to 6q plus 5. So it is also a is, r is equal to remainder is 5, a is equal to 6q plus 5. This whole integer is odd. A is odd integer. If you observe that only odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Therefore any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Hence proved. Once again I am explaining. Listen carefully and note down your notebook. Let a be any positive odd integer and b is equal to 6. Now apply the Euclid's algorithm or Euclid's division lemma. We will get as a is equal to 6q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r is less than 6. The possible remainders are 0 to 5. And substitute the all values. R is equal to 0, you will get an even. R is equal to 1, you will get an odd. R is equal to 2, you will get an even. R is equal to 3, you will get an odd. Then R is equal to 4, you will get an even. And R is equal to 5, you will get an odd. So by observe this, all this, any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. This is a proof.